Morning YouTube. Today I will be doing a quick demo on how I do a waterless wash on this 2017 Honda Civic. As you can see, there's a bunch of pollen on water spots. I am going to do a quick waterless wash today, and I will be using my mini spray gun with some waterless wash from Meguiar's. Alright, stay tuned for more video. Alright, I'll be using a yellow microfiber towel. As you can see, quick waterless wash. This is what I use when I'm in a parking garage. I use my waterless wash with my air gun. Quick and easy, and it's a lot faster than a regular wash. Alright, stay tuned for more videos from Islandside Detail.